that was us doing I'll Fly Away. This is my friend Ashley, who I met at college at SRU. She is a music major, well, music therapy major, in case you couldn't tell. And we hope you enjoyed this video. She also has a channel. What's the name of your channel?
I don't remember.
Alright, we will put a link in the description to her channel with her very good original music. You will enjoy it very much. I enjoyed it very much. And hope to have Ashley back to do some ukulele sometime. So we will see you again in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.